People should well want to go in the water, but make sure go in there. You should go in the Coast Guard, grab our same time.
Shelatin, awesomeness. Shelatin, awesome. Shelatin, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Sharp family. We're chilling with the Sharp family.
Alright guys, so here we are. Alright guys, so we decided that we are gonna take a little run to the beach today, Hellshire Beach. Our body, and just to hang out and enjoy some of the water. Right guys?
Yeah.
Yay! So here too, a happy evening, a successful evening, and yay! Okay, here we go. This is Hellshire, guys. Let's see if any beaches are open today. Let us see. Alright, so we'll go by waves first and beach and see if they're open. Right? This is like a small road trip, guys. A small road trip. This is where the crocodiles normally are.
Really?
Yeah, you want to go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. No way, Jose. Alright guys, when you come to this roundabout, to your left is Waves Beach, and straight ahead is to the open beach, the free beach that everyone can partake in. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go by Waves Beach to see if they're open, and if they're open, I think that once the price is right, we will stay. Once the price is right. Which you had to run there? Well, it looks so gloomy, guys. It looks gloomy. I'm seeing the sign closed. Oh my word.
There's a close sign?
Yes, the closed sign there. Alright guys, so Waves Beach is closed. So let's go to the open beach. See what happens up there. Let's get ourselves some water on our skin. closed. So people park up there, so. Alright guys, so if Upside is closed, we're gonna come back and probably park here, so. And go try some on the side beach. So I'll go on the place here. No, that's not what I want, Alright, cooler. So can't go in water? Oh. Okay. So okay, so we're not supposed to be in the water. We're not supposed to be in the water.
No, I want beach band.
Beach band lock. Okay, alright. No. That not sound good, guys.
So what you put it?
So we're not supposed to be in the water. So look out for the Coast Guard. Cut all that part there. Do.
The park?
Huh?
The park?
I'm gonna go run. Nah, I'm buying the parking. Sure. I went since parking start buy up here.
Afternoon. See shop, I can go. Nice.
No man, that's not what I want.
You can't go water today now.
Alright, cool. Ah, that mercy. So why come Hellshire if you can't go in the water?
Why them a smoke and come talk in a car?
So many persons up here, nobody in the water. I understand that. So I wonder how far one can go with that car, though. Going to see what I go on here. Dim. See, that means that so many persons are up here and nobody can go in the water. It's too far up, a little congested for sure. Small bar when there's some people. Do some bad reversing, Okay, then put out the barriers then, guys. So the barriers are up, but they can't really go in the water. You see it?
Where?
See them there? The fencing, no swimming. Alright guys, so we're at Hellshire and the signs are here, no swimming. So we are gonna turn back. Corona. Alright, let me see if I can reverse it to that place. I know what the best thing to do. We don't stuck in the sand. So we can turn the back side in this so. Yes. There's 7 of us of 7 at the water. If you're looking at us, nobody in the water at all. Nobody. Eh? Yes, you want to go to go enjoy.
Mommy. You can take a picture right there. So.
Alright. Alright guys, so the beach is closed off. No swimming, no swimming, no swimming. Yeah, so people just under the tent them sit down, you know.
Ah, belly full now. I like the breeze. You curl up your nose.
You do everything to yourself. Everything.
You're rough.
Come bro.
One step, one.
Come, give me a hand, give me a hand. Come, give me a hand. It's just Sunday here, bro. Dre, so we up here. All we can enjoy right now is the sand. And that's your mother over there. People should well want to go in the water, but make sure go in there. If she go in the Coast Guard, grab her same time. Same time. So enjoy the sun and the stone them and look on the water, but nothing else. You walk go there? Come, give me a hand. Come, bro. See your mother there, bro. Come, Biz, hold your hand, hold him.
Come, baby. Come, baby. Come. Come. Yes! 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 Yes!
Dre's like, sand, what is this? What is this? What is this they call sand? Bro, one of these days you're gonna be up here running up and down, swimming. And say, look at me, Poopa.
You like the sun?
Tia, put on your phone and come back here. Come. 10 seconds, come, 10 seconds. As mommy say, enjoy the moment. We soon leave, but enjoy some of the moment here. Come on, sir. Come on, son, come on. So guys, one big happy family enjoying the sand with no water. Cover this, cover this. Fix your face. Turn around now. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at Dre. Come, Dre. Step off, Dre. Step off. Step off. Ouch. Dre no one going nice sun, people. Dre be like, yo, that's Sanya. Now record for you to check. Oops. Oops. Bro. Bro, stand up, bro. Stand up, bro. Stand up. No, we're good, we're good, we're good. Come, Jay, stand up. Yay. Show them what you can do. Come walk off now. Come for this. Jay. Come for this. Bro. Did you hear someone around, sir? A day at the beach without going into the water. That's what this one gonna be entitled. A dry day at the beach. No, Jay, not in the sun. Don't put the sun in the mouth. Puh. The boy the sun, people. You don't eat the sun, sonny. Don't eat the sun. My name drop it down because don't never call him. A dry day at the beach, guys. Pull up on him mouth. Why you mustn't on him mouth? Why you hand them full of sand now? Throw you some of my water and rinse them off. Rinse off your hand them. Walk on, walk on, walk. Sign said no swimming Beach lock off. Beach lock off, babes. Jay, you full of sand, bro. Bro, you're full of sand.
So at least I get a little sun on you. You don't get to go in the water, but at least you get a little sun, okay?
Guys, this seems like we're leaving. What's up, babes? We're leaving. Alright. Alright, guys, so that was our little Hellshire experience. A dry day at the beach. It was fun. I'm feeling so dry. Here we go. And this I want to put for your damn tablet. Tablet. Oh boy. Okay.
What kind of pie is that one?
So guys, how was the beach?
Cherry.
The
Yeah.
breeze is cool.
How was the beach?
Normal.
Normal.
The breeze is cool. I feel good jet coming.
Okay. How was the water, guys?
We don't know.
From afar it looked good. From afar it felt good. See you next time you get water. Today's called a dry day at the beach.
They won't go back.
No, I must see him money. I left him, you plan to leave him. Alright now, so alright guys, so we came to Hellshire and now we're leaving. We're leaving primarily because the beach is closed. It's only sand that they have available right now.
And breeze, cool.
And breeze. And we took enough of it. This young one here is brutally bored. You know, if there's such a word, brutally bored. So before she gets more brutalized, we are going to leave with her now. Jay enjoyed himself. You know, he walked in the sand and he felt it, and he was like, "Wow, what is this?" He even put some in his mouth, but luckily, mommy was quick to rush and get it back out of his mouth. Out of his mouth. So right now we are heading back, and we're gonna stop at 2 tasty licking places on our way that she likes very much.
I don't like KFC.
Can you hear me though? Alright guys, so here we go.
I'll take a sand one more time and
Is the wipes not? No, the wipes not to go ahead.
that was your hand with water?
Hold him there, base. Hold him there.
So you got the other trip. Also, stay calm.
You don't even have on your seatbelt and you hold on for the camera. Which life you want to save?
Camera life got to be saved, you know. So the people them just come in for just eat flick of fish.
Yeah, once you can't move, they get calm.
To myself, why is it now? Why to vibrate? Alright people, so no water, but the people them still find a way to still have fun. A lot of people are up here today, Sunday evening, but as I say, even without the water, people are still coming. Corona, you gotta go.
So they look stressing.
Find water for swimming now. So then come and say, you know.
I'm gonna keep telling
I say, we can't come and Hellshire and go in the water.
Oh, that the person contribution close.
Them people are so. And so, guys, this is where our journey ends. We came to Hellshire. The beaches are the beach is closed, and all you got is sand. And if you want to buy fish and bami and those things, you buy and eat, but you can't go in the water. So today is September the 20th. Right. So as I speak right now, Hellshire is closed for swimming. No swimming can take place right now. So if you come to Hellshire, just know that during this time frame you can't go in the water. Okay. Peace out. Remember to like, comment and share, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. Thank you.